Hello guys and girls, welcome to my weekend market update. I know it's not the weekend anymore, it's already Tuesday, the 9th, but I was on vacation, so I had no time for checking the markets or giving you guys and girls an update on YouTube. But let's start with S&P 500. We see it's still an uptrend, but on the weekly, but the MACD indicator is showing signs of turning back down, so maybe price will follow that. At the daily, we see this idea confirmed by a daily broken uptrend line, and at the 4 hour, you can see that I already placed today a short trade on the S&P 500. It's a high risk trade because I trading a small price range, and because of that I only use 1% of my trading capital for that. Here, trade number one, S&P 500 short position. I using 1% of my account for that trade. Entry date is today, and account balance at the moment is at 100%. My stop loss will be at 5,300 US dollars. So if we get above this zone, I will lose my 1%. And if we get below this $5,000 range, I will take my profits and will have made 1.7 times my risk. So 1.7% on my account in profit. At the weekly on US oil, we can see that above this monthly downtrend line, we broke above that, made a correction, and this weekly downtrend line gets now finally broken to the upside. We also closed weekly above it, and now I expect a correction of this breakout to this weekly downtrend line. This could look the following. We have here a resistance zone and also the breakout zone of price above this weekly downtrend line. So I take this one and draw a zone here. Here with these 2 points you can draw a 4-hour downtrend line, a possible 4-hour downtrend line. It has to get confirmed one more time probably. So maybe we see something like this and then a break above, and then from there on higher prices. So the possibility for a long-term trade on US oil, or we see a break below that and maybe a larger correction of this breakout would be also okay. I will update you on that. At gold, I will have a bigger view with you guys and girls. Here we can see the cup and handle pattern. Here's the cup, like a cup of tea, and here's the handle, like what you hold with your fingers, the cup. And if this pattern gets broken to the upside, this is normally a bullish sign. And yeah, we closed monthly above it, so the bullish sign is confirmed. So I expect higher prices for gold in the next months and probably also years. At the weekly, we see rising prices. At the daily, also one green candle after another. At the 4-hour, we can see that this consolidation phase got broken to the upside and we had this small correction. This could have been ideal for a small long position to get a foot in the door, but I was obviously not there. I was in Croatia, so no time for placing a trade or updating this idea to you. Yeah, I hope I will see lower prices again, maybe a correction to this support and resistance zone supported by this 200 moving average, and then I could think again about taking a long position. If we look at Bitcoin US dollar, we see that we are still in all-time high territory. and at the daily that we make a consolidation. We build up a consolidation zone here. We haven't seen the big correction yet, maybe we will never see it. At the 4-hour you can see that this triangle has been broken to the upside. It could be a bull trap and fall below the triangle, retest the triangle and make this bigger correction I'm hoping for. Otherwise, if we break above this correction, I have to say that this small correction of this triangle is probably valid and we will see higher prices. I also keep you updated on that and my view. And always remember, trade for yourself. Don't do what I do just because I do it or report it in these videos. I hope you learned from it, enjoy, and we will see us next week. Bye.